Even if you park your car inside the garage, or especially if you have to park your car outside in the elements, a high quality car cover from Covercraft is a great way to protect your expensive paint job. Now, these covers are going to fit your 1965 through 2019 Mustang. They're going to be very, very specific to your vehicle. For the classic models, you have single and double mirror options, plus you've got coupe, convertible, and fastback, and then coupe and convertible for the modern Mustang. These are also available in 4 popular materials, and today we'll explain the different materials, which cover is right for you. Now, all of Covercraft's covers are good for indoor or outdoor use, and the ones we're going to look at now are going to be the Block-It 200, Block-It 380, the Noah, and then finally the Weather Shield HP. Now, shown here in our 2018 Mustang is the Block-It 200. Now, the Block-It 200 is going to be more designed for indoor use. Now, this can be used outside, but it is better as an indoor cover. If you use it outside, it does provide decent protection against bird droppings, UV, snow, dirt, stuff like that. So it still is a very, very breathable cover, but again, mainly this is a good indoor cover with mild outdoor use. The Block-It 200 cover is exclusive to Covercraft and available with your choice of a 50-year, tri-bar, or no logo on the front, and it's protected by a 2-year warranty. Now, the next step up is going to be the Block-It 380 material shown here in our 2016 Mustang GT. Now, this is going to be better protection for outdoor use, especially for bird droppings, UV, dirt, snow, and rain, yet still be breathable like the Block-It 200. Now, the Block-It 380 is covered by a 3-year warranty, and again available with your choice of a blank front, 50-year logo, or a Mustang tri-bar. Now, the next step above the Block-It 380 is going to be the Noah material. Now, the Noah is going to provide the best protection against rain, snow, dirt, dust, UV protection, and bird droppings. This is going to be their premium outdoor cover, yet still remain breathable, designed for everyday use. This cover, again, is available in your choice of the 50-year or tri-bar front, and this cover is going to come with a 4-year warranty. Now, if you're looking for the most outdoor protection available for your Mustang, you'll want to check out the Covercraft Weather Shield HP. Now, again, exclusive fabric for Covercraft. It's going to give you all of the protection of the Noah, but on a much, much softer cover. It's also much thinner, much easier to put on the car. This, again, is going to be available with your choice of the 50-year logo, tri-bar logo, or a blank front. This will also come with a 4-year warranty. All these Covercraft covers feature high-quality stitching and elastic front and back to keep them firmly planted on your car. And I do have grommets on the side as well. If the car is parked outside, I suggest picking up one of the Covercraft locks to make sure your cover not only stays attached to your car, but doesn't disappear. And no matter what Mustang you drive, whether it's parked inside or outside, we have the right Covercraft cover for you here at cjponyparts.com.